Conversations on Twitter move fast, and it's easy to miss the opportunity to engage with an important influencer or prospect. Twitter lists are a great way to group together similar people and topics, so you can easily keep up with activity, jump into relevant discussions, and curate content. Using Hootsuite, you can create one list for industry influencers, another for your brand advocates, and a separate private list for your competitors. To import an existing Twitter list into your Hootsuite dashboard, simply navigate to the Add a Stream helper, select your Twitter account, click Lists, and select the list you'd like to add. To create a new list, select Create New List. Add a list name, an optional description, select if you want to make the list public or private, and click Save. To add a Twitter user to an existing list, simply click on their name and select Add to List.